In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Power BI dashboard for sales KPI. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable KPI visual that highlights your sales performance at a glance and sets you up for smart, data-driven decisions. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load your environment and any recent files. If your data model is already set up, that's great. If not, make sure your sales data is available in a report so you can visualize it right away. Next, open a report. This can be an existing report where you want to add a KPI tile or a new blank report connected to your sales data. Either way, the goal is to place a KPI that clearly communicates current performance and recent trend. On the right side of the screen, click on the Data pane to reveal your tables and fields. This pane is your inventory of everything you can visualize. Things like sales amount, order date, and any target or budget measures you've prepared. If you're unsure which fields to use, think of 3 essentials for a KPI: the value you want to track, the date or time context for trend, and, optionally, a target for comparison. Now select a data field and drag it onto the canvas. If you have a total sales measure, drag that. If you prefer to start with the time context, you can drag your date field first. Don't worry if Power BI initially creates a basic table. You're just getting the fields onto the page so you can turn them into a KPI. Click on the Visualizations pane to bring it forward. This is where you choose the visual type and manage its roles. With your field selected on the canvas, click on the KPI visual. Power BI will switch the visual type and show placeholders for the indicator, the trend axis, and, if available, the target. Use your sales value for the indicator so the card shows the latest value. Use your date field for the trend axis so the KPI can display movement over time. If you have a goal or budget measure, assign it as the target to show progress against plan. At this point, you have a functional sales KPI. The visual will display the current value, a directional arrow, and a small trend line to illustrate momentum. If something doesn't look right, double-check the data types in your model. Dates should be true dates, and sales should be numeric. You can refine formatting, colors, and labels to match your dashboard style, and adjust date granularity to daily, monthly, or quarterly to suit your audience. That's it. You've built a clear, informative sales KPI in Power BI that anchors your dashboard and helps everyone focus on what matters most.